Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a 2015 Buick Encore Convenience Group all-wheel drive, stock number B9998BB. 64,000 miles on this local trade. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report. Ruby red metallic in color. You do receive the balance of the factory 5-year 100,000 mile powertrain warranty. It's a very safe vehicle as well. 5-star front and side government crash rating. Seats 5. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Backup camera for additional safety. Lots of storage space in the rear. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This convenience group has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power seat. Front seats are also heated. Read gauges with driver information system, cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls, large display for all of your media features, radio. It's also satellite radio capable. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. You can even sync smartphones to Pandora and Stitcher radio apps. And there's, of course, where the backup camera display is. Hard keys below for radio, CD player, dual-zone automatic temperature control, automatic transmission with manual shift capability. Dual glove boxes with the owner's manual inside. Under the hood, this Encore has a 1.4 liter turbocharged 4-cylinder, 138 horsepower, and just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. Excellent fuel economy, especially for an all-wheel drive crossover. EPA average of 23 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 30 on the highway, and approximately 75% of the tire tread left. For more information on this Encore, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.